Have you ever seen a dress and wondered why it doesn't look neat or professional? You're not bad at tailoring, you're just making some common mistake. Oh yes, I've been there. And that's why I'm bringing this video to you guys. Today, I'll be showing you 10 tailoring mistakes beginners make, how to fix them, and how to start sewing like a pro. The first mistake is not taking proper measurements. Guessing body measurements or using standard sizes does not actually make you a good fashion designer. Do you know what that means? It actually makes you below. Because what makes you different is that you're able to take proper measurements or you're able to take your client's measurements anytime you're making a new dress for them. This actually makes you a perfect and a good fashion designer. Just like Ricky James, just like Prudence Gabriel. When we see them, they take body measurement before making a client dress. Even if we've made a dress before, they will take new measurements just to get a proper way and to make a proper dress for them that fits so well and beautiful. The second mistake we have on our list is not sketching your designs or not drafting your pattern before cutting. This actually disorganized you. It actually gives a process, a very good process when making a dress. Sketching your design in fashion means fashion illustration. So when it comes to fashion illustration, I've been there and it makes me look less of myself because there are some times that a design will be on my head, but the enablement for me to sketch out the design on paper, I won't be able to do that. That is why I went to learn that, and it actually makes me level up. And I also want to make you guys learn such. So that is why I organized a 3 days free class on fashion illustration, and I'm sure you wouldn't want to miss because it will make you level up from 0 to 100. The class is limited, and I'm sure you will love to join this class. So to join this class, click on the link on my description box to join this class for free. See you guys in class. The third mistake on our list is ignoring seam allowance. What is seam allowance? Seam allowance actually helps you to correct your mistakes. Just addition of 1 inch or 1.5 inches, it works makes you from being a tailor, a roadside tailor, to be a very good tailor or fashion designer. So number 4 problem on our list is poor fabric choice. So selecting of fabric actually makes you different from being a roadside tailor to being a good tailor because there are different kind of style and there are different kind of fabric. And this style, there are some fabric that actually belongs to the style. So when choosing a fabric, you actually look at the style that you've already sketched out, drafted, that actually makes your work come out perfectly more than using another fabric that doesn't go well with the style. Just in the case of using a brocade or a style that you're supposed to use crepe for, you're using brocade for it. It doesn't make sense, right? So the choice of fabric you use for your styles actually makes your work better and finer. Number 5 mistake on our list is wrong needle choice. Type of thread and the type of needle you choose for your styles or for your fabric actually makes you look different from or every other tailor, because everybody is a tailor. But what makes you different from the other tailor is that you are able to know the kind of choice, the choice of needle and thread, because we have cotton thread and we have polyester thread. So the kind of thread and needle you use for each style or each fabric actually makes you different from a roadside tailor. So we have 3 types of needle, which is we have the thick needle, we have the thin needle, and we have the simple needles. All these needles are actually has what it is used for, the kind of fabric you use in sewing it. Do you get? The problem number 6 is actually skipping pins while sewing. Do you know what it means for skipping pins? because these needles or these pins actually helps you to hold your fabric together before sewing, and this makes your work look neater after sewing. I hope you get that too. So I'm sure you found value in this video. Please don't hesitate to like, comment, and share. The seventh problem is not ironing while sewing. So ironing while sewing makes your work neater. And ironing different steps while sewing. It's what makes you different from a roadside tailor to be a fashion designer. Because a roadside tailor can just walk up and just carry clothes, just be sewing like that, and they'll be, you know how it is now, they'll be using the fabric, just using the sewing machine to fold the mouth of where they've sewn. So that is wrong as a fashion designer. So to be a very good fashion designer, you have to have an iron and you have to make use. That is why a fashion designer needs light every time. So you need to make use of your iron while sewing. Okay. So the eighth mistake on our list is no fitting before final stitch. Fitting actually makes your work come out perfectly, and it makes you not to be able to make any mistake, because there are some, just like Prudent Gabriel, Vicky James, we can see what they do, because their clients, most of their clients comes for fitting, or all of their clients comes for fitting before them finishing the dress. So this actually makes you to move from being a roadside tailor to be a fashion designer, right? I hope you get that. So to be able to level up from being a tailor, you should be able to allow your clients, or know how to persuade your clients to come for fitting before before you finish up with the dress. Okay, the ninth mistake we have here is poor finishing. What does poor finishing does? Poor finishing actually makes you to be a tailor. It is just the normal interpretation. It is an interpretation that shows that you are a roadside tailor. And with no proper finishing, I'm not sure your client will be able to refer you to another person. It is your finishing that makes you different from every other tailors, because every tailor can make a dress. So what actually makes you different from other tailors is your finishing. Finishing can make somebody see your dress in someone's body and decide to ask, who is this tailor? Who is this person that make your dress? And you'll be able to get referrals from them. Do you get? So moving on to the last but not the least, giving up too early. What does it mean, giving up too early? I know that most tailors, most fashion designers just say, tired, I don't think I can do this. But do you know what? Giving up, it's just a sign that you were not ready for it. You were not ready for you to be a fashion designer. And do you know another thing that will make you not to give up? The fact that you are able to charge your worth, you are able to charge your client your worth, is what makes you, okay, you will give you the inspiration, will give you the motivation to put your energy, to put your effort in that clothes or in those clothes. So this actually makes you different from every other tailors outside, and it gives you the room to actually grow better, because the moment you start charging your worth, that is the moment you see that it's not everybody that must be your client. You can have few clients, but the enablement for you to be able to charge your worth will make them stick. And all this, incorporating all these other mistake and what to fix or how to fix them, adding to this will actually make you a very good fashion designer. So if this video have helped you so far, please like, comment, and share. And don't forget to subscribe to MSJ Fashion World. See you guys in my next video. Bye.